Good day, everyone. I'm over here at the famous Grand Lake neighborhood at the Coop Rider job. Look at this behind me. Yesterday, this was just a very simple, let's get some plaster in the pool. And guess what? We are at day 60. Day 60. What do you think, Mr. Coop Rider?
I think it's wonderful.
Think it's wonderful?
Yep.
So how many days was it?
April 1st we started.
April 1st we started. How about that? See?
Not even 60.
That's right, because we don't oversell. We just sell a handful a month, and we do them on time, on budget. We do it right. What do you think about that?
Yep, I agree.
That's right.
Everything was looking good.
Thank you very much. We appreciate your business. It means a lot.
You're welcome.
Yep, we love it. We love this neighborhood. Great people in this neighborhood. I think we've done 15 or 16 pools maybe. But I tell you, this one here, we put travertine around the coping in the spa. As I'm standing here on the pavers, I could put my hand on the pavers and my hand on the coping, probably 15, 20 degrees difference. So when they're sitting out here, maybe having a cool one, they can set that drink on the side of the pool or on the spa, and it's not going to melt in seconds. So,
Yeah.
well, we're going to get these people swimming quick. We're going to get a quick start, and we're on to the next one. You all have a blessed day, a happy weekend, and we'll see you soon. Take care.